We continue to check in with local doctors to see what viruses are going around mid-Missouri. ABC 17's Erica McGuire has a look at what doctors say patients are getting sick with the most in tonight's What's Going Around.
The weather may be fairly warm for this time of year, but viruses are continuing to spread, making people sick. Nurse practitioner Dwight Jones from the Jefferson City Medical Group in Fulton says they are continuing to see patients with upper respiratory infections more than anything else. As far as flu cases, Jones says cases there are mild to moderate, along with cases of strep throat and COVID-19. I also checked in with MU Healthcare, and Dr. Laura Morris tells me they are seeing the flu continue to spread across mid-Missouri. She tells me this season they are seeing a typical switch from mostly type A to a mix of type B influenza cases later in the season. At MU's clinics, urgent cares, and emergency departments, Dr. Morris says they are seeing patients positive with COVID-19. She continues to recommend testing, especially for older patients, where Paxlovid is effective at decreasing the risk of severe illness and death from COVID. Dr. Robin Blunt with Boone Health in Columbia tells me over the past month they have seen an increase in patients with respiratory illnesses. Blunt says when comparing this year to last, January was similar, but the number of cases in February has been higher. She says it's not at an alarming rate, but we are in season, and COVID is most of the respiratory virus admissions following RSV and the flu. Dr. Blunt says flu is not a standout this year compared to other seasons, but we are not out of the respiratory months just yet.